Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery state and current LED pattern so you know what you're fixing. Check the charger, cable, and USB port for debris or loose connections. A bad cable often causes a red flash. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a restart, then plug into a known good 5V charger. Once done, observe the LED for changes and make sure the unit stays powered. This verifies whether the issue is power-related. Now you perform the deeper recovery steps to coax the battery back. First, run the factory reset sequence for your SoundLink Revolve. This clears firmware glitches that can trigger red flashes. Next, use the original adapter and a reliable wall outlet for a slow, steady charge for 1 to 2 hours. Make sure the LED behavior changes during charging. If the speaker was fully depleted or cold, give it a half to 1 hour trickle charge, then reboot. This allows protection circuits to reset and the battery to register a healthy state. Finish by confirming firmware and isolating hardware faults. If the speaker powers on in pairs, open the Bose app and install any firmware updates. Software fixes often resolve LED errors. If red flashing continues after charging and reset, swap in a known good battery or test another charger to isolate the fault. If replacement parts aren't available, contact Bose support with details. As a troubleshooting tip, document the exact flash pattern, frequency, and timing. This helps technicians pinpoint whether it's battery, charging, or internal hardware related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.